Okay, so my first impression is it kind of looked like a pencil since it's a octagonal shape, and they didn't do anything on the grip area, so kind of looks like a one whole piece. The front part is also look like a one whole piece to the barrel, but it can get separated. Okay, so after the construction, this barrel is made out of plastic, but this end part is made out of brass, so it's really low centered. Too low centered is really uncomfortable to write, but they made the knob area with this metal, so it kind of balanced it out. And I can also see the 3 rubber band, which we don't often see in a mechanical pencil, but it's a good thing that they designed it this way, because it means they tried to minimize the gap between the connecting area. So I can say it's a very precise design. The knocking sound is very crisp and clear, which I prefer, but I don't think you can use it in the library since the sound was quite loud. 0.5 millimeter comes out in one knob, so I guess we need to knob about 3 times to write it, because we need about like 1.5 millimeter. And this front area is only 2 millimeters, so it could be a little bit uncomfortable because it's too short. But if it's too long, there's like a better chance of breaking it, so I think that's why they made it only 2 millimeters. And I can say one of the main downside of this Kaweco mechanical pencil is that it doesn't have any slip resistance material on the grip, so it could be slippery if you use it for a long period of time. But other than that, I think it's a very well-made pencil. I really like the weight and how it looks. The knocking sound feels also very nice. So I'll say about 9 out of 10. It's really good. I really like it. So anybody who wants to buy a decent mechanical pencil, I guess you should go with this Kaweco if you have a budget, because it was like a $50 or something. So it's a little bit pricey, but I think it's worth it. Okay, so this is it for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.